Hey, yo. Hello. Today we have something beefy. We got a nice beefy layer on top of these TEAROUT guns. And I want to show you guys. I want you guys to learn how fast and easy it is to do this with ABLETON. So basically, I made this TEAROUT gun and we layered it with what I'm going to show you here. Sounds like this. In full context with the song and on top of the other guns, it sounds like this. The point of this is to show you a fast way to make a nice beefy layer on top of your TEAROUT guns. I will be giving this audio for free in the description. The full rack will be available in my Patreon, but if you guys want to follow along, you can make the rack yourselves right now. So let's go ahead and do this. So first, I'll turn off all the effects so you can hear what it sounds like. Now we have effects that are on top of the actual group right here. Just so you know, it's just a JST clip that's clipping it at 0. Otherwise, this actual sample here was something that I warped down. It sounds like this now. But this will be in the description. You can download that. Let's go ahead and make the chain. If you want to make this loud, fat, you want to make it sound kind of like a gun. So that's what we shall do. First, we're going to add an OTT, and this OTT will be making it louder. Now, the OTT will be on 6 decibels output, 81% dry wet, 1000% time. This will be giving extra volume to all the lows, mids, and highs separately. We're going to add a saturator, boost it with 5 decibels of drive, soft clip on, just to add some more gain and volume. Another OTT, 6 decibels, 76% dry wet this time, 1000% on the time. The time just helps the dynamics. Saturator, another one, 6.19 decibels, making it loud, soft clip on. So we have those 4 first off. Makes it louder like this. So big difference. We're going to add an EQ, start boosting. We're going to boost at 167, have a nice shelf at 6.81. Bringing out more frequencies. We're going to add a glue compressor just to add some more volume, and we're also going to bring out the full sound. This utility is on here just in case, not doing anything. JST clip. This is clipping it and then adding some extra gain right here. And then what we do is we go ahead and change the sound completely, and we go ahead and throw on a shifter in ABLETON. We put it on pitch. We're doing -7 semitones on the course and -49. And basically I just moved these knobs to what sounded good, and we found this sound. I like that. Sounds really mid-rangey, nice and beefy. But I was like, okay, we need to add a little bit more volume. So this is the full OTT, but this is the drip TT, just some minor compression. And then we'll go ahead and clean it up. We'll cut the lows, cut out some of the mud so that it blends in with all the other sounds. And then we can start combining it with the other sounds of the gun. And then the sub. And drums. Awesome. So that's how we do it. It's pretty simple. It's not that crazy. If you guys want this remix, it's coming soon. It's the Lugubrious remix. You can listen to that remix soon. You're going to love it. Anyways, if you want to get this full rack and you don't want to make it, just go on my Patreon. It's right there. Otherwise, you guys have fun with this new sound. Keep on making bangers. This Friday, you can submit and get live feedback on your song. Don't forget to submit. Link is in the description. Discord is the fun time. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Have a good night. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.
She want me, I'm fresh out of prison.